So after doing a bit of research and having a look online, see what's available, I decided to go for Dynavolt batteries out of Wales. I believe the Japanese company. I think this particular battery is made in China, but absolutely pleased with everything they've done. Got in touch with them direct, bought off them direct, and for £45, medium type battery. Didn't want an expensive one. They do a lot of batteries for a lot of British racing teams, superbikes, etc. So I thought, well, if it's good enough for them, it's good enough for me. And it's the upgrade for the battery I had on my Pan-European ST1100 non-ABS. So they supplied me like for like. So I'm about to open it. It's just started raining, so I'll have to move inside. I've now come inside, and let's see. It's come as lovely packaged. Let's open it up. Using my boy's cutter. He worked at Tesco's. I'll try and do it one-handed. I may have to rest it. Sorry about the mess, but the little black fella's had all the toys out of his toy box, so it's a bit of a mess this morning. He wants to play with her, but she's not up for it. She's fed up with him. Okay, so it's very well boxed. Dynavolt UK. Actually, I can show you the address and what I actually got. Folding my bit out of the way, so you don't need to know that. Okay, so that's what I've had just there. YTX14 nano gel, and that is the address and also the website. Right. That's a little something for me. Get some stickers. Lovely. That's very well wrapped. Right, sorry about all the jiggling there. So that's what it comes as. Nano gel power sports battery. So it's the upgraded version of what was in there. I've gone for the 12 volt 14 amp hours because that's what's on my bike. Hasn't got much electrical stuff on it, but just replacing like with like. Comes with another little sticker. Nothing like advertising, which is fair enough. A new connecting box. Comes fully charged, ready to go. Instructions in different languages. Oh yeah, they do ship worldwide. There you go. All the instructions as you would expect. Yeah, so there you go. And when it stopped raining and I refit it, I shall go through the process. I need to get it out now, but very pleased with their service and hopefully their products. So obviously refitting is the opposite to removal, but there it is. Dynavolt battery upgrade for the Pan-European ST1100. This particular model is non-ABS. Just to prove it works, let's have a quick look. MOT and clean, and we'll be ready for the open road once more. Thanks for watching, catch you all again later. Get somewhere to put those stickers on there, I suppose.